All right, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at Crocodile on Tier 1 of Hackbox. This is going to be video number 10. Let's go ahead and grab that IP address right there. And let's go ahead and see what we got going on over here, right? We actually just did this one right here. We'll clear that. We'll start off with our Rust scan here. There we go. So we have port 21 and port 80, it looks like, open. We have what MF scanning switch employs the use of using default scripts that we have talked about this before, right? That's going to be attack SC. We'll submit that answer right there. All right. What service is on port 21? Okay, so we have looked at FTP before also. Let's go ahead and do an mmap on that real quick. 21. Yep, pretty much the same exact thing I had before, right? So we're going to use those default scripts and also check for the version. And those default scripts will also see if we can log in anonymously, which it looks like we can. All right, we see right here, anonymous FTP login is allowed. And we have VSFTPD 3.0.3, which we've already seen before. We've seen that one before. You'll see that a lot. That version right there. What FTP has returned anonymous user login allowed message? Let's go ahead and look at it. It's 230, right? I've answered that before also in tier 0. All right. When connecting to the FTP server using FTP client, what username do we provide when prompted to log in anonymously? That's going to be anonymous. That's what username we're going to provide. And we should be able to utilize that with FTP and then the IP address here, right? We've seen this one before. We've also seen getting files before. And we tried to put files last time. Maybe we can put files this time. Anonymous. No password. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and echo test to test.txt. And let's try to put test.txt this time. And we still get access denied, so we cannot put anything in there. But we can at least maybe get files, do a dir or an ls-la, right, depending on what you're on here. Let's go ahead and get both of those. So we can, for this, we can also do I believe we can do a prompt off. Yep. Recurse. Notice what does have recurse. We say mget star. We grab both of those files at once. Then we go and exit out here. We go ahead and cat that allowed user list. And we also have cat the allowed user list.passwords, right? So we got some users and passwords here, right? So it looks like maybe they just go in order, but we'll see. Admin looks like good user, right? What do we got here? We have we can get, right? Whatever to download files off the FTP server. We've just showed that. Higher privilege sounding user, probably going to be admin there. What is the version of Apache running on the host? Okay, so let's go ahead and check that real quick, right? So we'll do an mmap TAC-P80, TAC-SV, and let's go ahead and grab that IP address again. Let's go ahead and see what version is running on this thing. Hopefully we get a little bit better than we got last time. Okay, so there we go. We got our Apache. I wonder if it wants the whole thing again like it did last time. With Ubuntu and everything in there. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it just wants up to here. Let's go ahead and try to submit that. All right, cool. What switch could we use with GoBuster specify we're looking for a specific file type? That's going to be TAC-X. And we're going to use FearOxBuster for this one also. All right, so let's go ahead and use, let's first curl the site, right? Curl TAC-V, we'll do an HTTP. And we'll grab the IP address again. There we go. I'm going to scroll all the way down over here so we can see, yep, my passwords and everything. So looks like it's going to a default page. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick. Smash Bootstrap Business, huh? Okay. We got some Smash Bootstrap Business. We can scroll all the way up, see what it's built with. If it's built with anything weird, right? It doesn't look like it. You can also see the server in here also, just so you know. Okay, so you can also see what it's, instead of just the MF scan, you can see right there too. Let's go ahead and start up with a FearOxBuster then. TAC-U, HTTP. TAC-W, we're just going to use big.txt and hopefully that works for us. Then we'll do a TAC-X PHP, same exact thing as with Go Buster, still attack X PHP. See if we can find anything good in here. Seen a lot of stuff in here actually. It's getting a lot of different things in here. This also may take a minute to actually find whatever we're looking for in here. But hopefully we can find something. And then whenever I am actually on page, I like to try to go to like login or /admin or something like that .php. Nope, that's not it. What about /login? Or is it /admin maybe? Nope. Okay, so we do have a /login.php. So that might be it, what we're looking for, like right there. Just see if we can log into it or anything like that, you know. And we also have a config.php here too, it looks like. Nothing in it, but it does return a 200, it looks like. Of our dashboard, like right there. Now, one thing with big.txt, it is in alphabetical order. So if you are using big.txt, it may take a little bit longer to be able to find things like, login, stuff like that. .php. So let's go ahead and let's try to log in, I guess, with admin. Then maybe this password down here. We'll just try something like that. See if it is actually in order. Okay, cool, it is. So we do log in, and we do get a flag also, like right here. So we're able to log in. We got a flag just by kind of just putting our brains there, just saying, hey, what will the login page be, right? Still not finding anything here, but I'm sure that we will. We'll let this guy run just so we can find that login.php. And then we'll go from there. And there we go. We do find that login.php right here. So we do know that that does exist, right? And that's going to be it for that one. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. We used Fearox Buster instead of Go Buster. Use whichever one you're comfortable with, whichever one you like, whichever one you feel most comfortable with, and the syntax that you feel most comfortable with. Things like that. And make sure you're using a word list that you're comfortable with also. And if it doesn't work with one word list, always try a different word list. Okay. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something, and I'll talk to you all later.